The relationship between bats and witchcraft has deep roots in popular culture, mythology, and superstition, and has been shaped by the perception of these animals as mysterious and nocturnal creatures. Below, we detail the most relevant aspects of this connection. 1. Symbolism in darkness and mystery. Bats are nocturnal animals that emerge in the darkness, an environment that has typically been associated with the unknown, the occult, and the supernatural. This connection with the night has linked them to magical practices, as the night is often considered the realm of witches and other supernatural beings. 2. Association with the underworld and transformation. In many cultures, bats are seen as messengers between the world of the living and the afterlife due to their behavior and their habitat in caves, places that evoke the underworld. Furthermore, their ability to hang upside down can be interpreted symbolically as a link to change, transformation, and the cycles of life and death, concepts central to witchcraft and magic. 3. Use in potions and rituals. In medieval magical traditions and superstitions, bats are often mentioned as ingredients in potions or magical rituals. Parts of their body, such as wings or blood, were believed to have magical properties, especially in spells related to flight, stealth, or invisibility. This detail was popularized in alchemy texts and witchcraft books. 4. Relationship with witches in literature and art. Bats often appear in witch iconography, especially in Gothic literature and European folklore. They are often depicted flying around witches or accompanying them as magical familiars, animals that help witches in their practices. This association was reinforced by the image of the bat as a creature that shares shadows and flight with witches. 5. Metamorphosis and vampires. The belief that witches could transform into animals, including bats, strengthened the bond between these beings. In some traditions, witches were thought to take the form of bats to spy, escape, or cause harm. This idea is mixed with the vampire myth, where vampire bats are symbols of blood silk, immortality, and evil, qualities that were often attributed to witches in legends. 6. Bats and protective magic. Although bats are often associated with the dark or evil, in some cultures they are also seen as bringers of good luck or protectors. For example, in certain traditions, carrying an amulet made from bat parts supposedly offered protection from curses or the evil eye. 7. The influence of Christianity. During the Middle Ages, the Catholic Church demonized everything related to the nocturnal or unconventional, which included both bats and witchcraft practices. Bats began to be associated with demons and infernal beings, reinforcing their connection with witches, who were seen as agents of the devil. In summary, the relationship between bats and witchcraft is a mix of cultural symbolism, superstition, and literature, fueled by the mystery and unique characteristics of these animals. Despite this negative association in some contexts, it is important to remember that bats are fascinating animals that play a crucial role in ecosystems, as pest controllers and even pollinators. And thanks for watching this video. See you soon.